Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the door panel in your Porsche Panamera. So to remove the door panel, what we have to do is first go ahead and get this plastic square here, and we're going to go ahead and pop out the tabs on it. So we're just going to quickly go behind it and gently apply a little bit of pressure. And it will slowly pop out. Again, you don't want to force anything out, you just want to slowly apply some pressure. Okay, so that's out. So once that's out, you can see that there's some electrical controls back there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this trim that's right here. And I'll go ahead and show you how we're going to do that. We're going to start applying at one edge pressure, and we're going to basically go ahead and start pulling it off. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pry tool. I'm going to go from the side, and I'm going to give it a little bit of pressure. You can hear it popping out. So once it pops out a little bit, I like to use my hand so that I can feel for it. And you can go ahead and get it pulled off. So you just go ahead and slowly pull it off as you're going along. You're going to go ahead and slowly pull it out as you're going along. So we're going to just follow this and continue to go all across the perimeter here and remove this piece. So when you're going ahead and removing this trim piece, you'll notice that there's a J hook right there. And with that J hook, it actually goes into that hole right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right there. And so it's not something that you can just directly just press out. It needs a little bit of finesse to do it, but it isn't too hard. You just want to get your dashboard tool and go ahead and do that. Now on my car, I also have the memory seat controls there. That connector, that needs to come off. The next step is to find this T30 bolt right here and to go ahead and remove it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then once we've removed that, we'll get back to the video. Next, you're going to go ahead and open up the expandable storage pocket. That's right down here on the bottom of the door panel. And then you're going to locate that T30 and you're going to remove that one. So this is the door pocket that we're talking about. It extends all the way on the bottom, and there's the screw in there. Next thing you want to do is remove this black plastic piece behind the actual door lever knob. And I've gone ahead and loosened mine, and I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the door handle. And then once you remove that, there's the last T30 bolt that you need to remove right in there. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. We'll be right back on the video once this is removed. Now you're going to want to remove the door panel light, and that has a little indent right in there, and you'll want to go ahead and just go in there and pop it out. There we go. And once it's popped out, you'll notice that there's the T30 screw in there, and that needs to get removed as well. Okay, and once we've removed all of those things, the only thing else holding this door panel in place are clips, and we can just go ahead and pull from the bottom and unclip the door panel. And once you lift up on the door panel, that's all there is to it. Then the door panel comes off. That's how to remove the door panel on your Porsche Panamera.